Hey guys, so this is why it is so important to check things every once in a while under the hood. But anyway, as I was looking around here, you have the intake manifold bolts, and everything is looking okay except for this one. And if we get a little close up, you will see that there is, let me see if I can get my hand in here. Voila, motor oil. So that has happened before. It's not a big deal, but you want to take care of that. And what happens is wicking action, basically. Some of the oil will find a way to wick out of there, and it puddles right in this area. Could be around any of the intake manifold bolts. So you want to make sure that they're both tight, but it's very important, and I'll show you a little trick. You want to use a little bit of a thread sealer to take care of that. So I want to go ahead and remove this one. Hopefully I don't have to remove the card for that. I think I have enough room. But let me get started so I can show you a little more detail. I don't know if I'm going to have enough room to use this little. Nope. I'm going to need some help. Okay, so I have this paper towel to prevent any scratches. And again, this wrench is too short, so I got an extra one. This is 7/16, it doesn't matter as long as it fits in here. And what you want to do is just kind of hook it against the other wrench, and then that gives you a little more leverage. And you carefully want to, there you go. See? And then that one, you can remove that bolt. Simple little trick. Let's look at it here on the bench. Obviously there was a little bit of either Teflon or something there, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to clean it up. And as you can see, these are the, what do you call this? The star 12-point bolts. And I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to clean the intake manifold, remove as much of the oil as possible. And I'm going to add some thread sealer and reinstall it. That should take care of the problem. Here's another quick tip for you guys. Since I do not have a bench grinder with a wire wheel, what I do is I attach my electric drill with this clamp to the workbench, and presto, I have a mini wire wheel. So it is really clean, and I like to use a parts cleaner or a brake parts cleaner. Any spray like that will do the trick. Just be generous with it. Make sure that this is as clean as possible. No oil residue. And now it's ready for the thread sealer. And of course you want to make sure that this area is super clean. And all you need really is a rag or a paper towel like I'm using here. Okay, so I would recommend staying away from the Teflon tape. That is never as good as a thread sealant. I like this Permatex, but there's all kind of brands out there. And so you pick whichever works best for you. This one is ready to go. I'm gonna, of course, install the washer first, and then I'm gonna apply some sealant to the threads. Again, there's no science to this, but one thing I believe is you want to be generous. So take your time, do a nice job, and you should be fine. So this is ready to go. Alrighty. Sorry, I know you probably can't see much, but trust me, it is going in. So once this is there, let me get my wrench. What I'm going to do is tighten that one. No, I'm not going to worry about torque or anything. I just want to make it really snug without breaking anything, of course. That is nice. And I'll bring you in. As you can see, there's just a touch of sealant oozing out of there, but it's minimal. And I'm probably going to use some kind of small flathead screwdriver to remove any excess. But that is done, and it shouldn't leak anymore. I'll keep an eye on it, but I think that is repaired. And again, these simple things you can do, and I actually recommend doing these type of maintenance checkups every once in a while, whether it's the valve covers, intake manifold bolts all around the car. And I'll cover other areas where you want to do a little bit of, let's call it a pre-flight inspection every 3 or 6 months. I think it's a good idea. Alrighty, so success there. Looking really good. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, other areas that need to be, checked up like this on a regular basis, please comment below. That is always appreciated. I don't have all the answers, but that's why I like to hear comments and things like that. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.